The formula for the trapezium is given as A equals to h over 2 into A plus B. This is the trapezium. We can see we have the height here, and these are the two parallel sides. These two sides are parallel to each other. And that is side A, this is side, from here to here is B, and this is the height. So A, we are asked to find the first part of A. Rearrange the formula to make A the subject. Simply means we should make A the subject of the formula from this relationship. 2. Calculate the value of A when A equals to 120 centimeters square, H equals to 4 centimeters, and B equals to 50 centimeters. The B part of the problem, calculate H when A equals to 40 centimeters square, A equals to 28 centimeters, and B equals to 12 centimeters. Solution. Now, A Roman figure 1. We have A equals to h over 2 into A plus B. In this case, the first thing to do is to expand the bracket. A equals to what? H times A, that is HA. H times B, then we have HB, divided by what? 2. So from here, we can write A as A over 1. Then we cross multiply. By cross multiplying, 2 times A, we have 2A, equals to what? 1 times HA, we have HA plus HB. Don't forget we want to make A the subject. That is the small letter A, because we have capital letter A here and small letter A. You have to be careful while solving this kind of problem. Now we have 2 capital letter A minus HB. We need to transfer this to this side so that we can have only HA at the right hand side. Minus HB equals to HA. Now from here, for us to make A the subject, we need to divide both sides by the coefficient of A, which is H. Then we have 2A minus HB divided by H equals to HA divided by H. Now, HA1, HA1. We now have A equals to what? 2A minus HB divided by H. We can also simplify further or write it in another form. A will be equals to what? 2A divided by H, same denominator, minus HB divided by H. Now, we now have this to be small letter A equals to 2 of capital letter A over H minus, now HA1, HA1. So we have minus B. That is the solution for A Roman figure 1. For A Roman figure 2, we solve that. Now for A Roman figure 2, we have to find A when capital letter A equals to what? 120 centimeters square. And when H equals to what? That's 4 centimeters. And when B, small letter B, equals to 50 centimeters. So now in this case, we just need to substitute to get our small letter A. We have to find small letter A from the question. Calculate the value of small letter A. So we still use the result we have here. So A will be equals to what? Anywhere we see capital letter A, we put 120. Then divided by 4, which is H, minus B, which is 50. Now from here we have A equals to what? We have this to be 2 times 120, what do we have? That is 240 divided by 4 minus 50. Now A will be equals to 240 divided by 4. What do we have? That is 60. 60 minus 50. Then A will be equals to 10. 60 minus 50 is 10. And what is the unit? That's centimeter. So we have 10 centimeter as A. That is the solution to the first part of the problem. Now the second part, which is B. Calculate H when A equals to, calculate the value of H when A equals to 40 centimeter square, A equals to 28 centimeter, and B equals to 12 centimeter. In this case, we need to go back to the main problem to do that. To the main relationship. A equals to what? H over 2 divide H over 2 into bracket A plus B. Now from the question, we are given A to be equals to 40, capital letter A equals to 40 centimeter square, and small letter A is what? 28 centimeter, and small letter B is what? That's 12 centimeter. So in this case, we have to calculate the value of H. We don't know H, I'll put question mark. Now from this, anywhere we see A, we put 40. Then equals to H divided by 2 into bracket what? We have A, small letter A is what? 28. 28 plus B, which is small, plus B here, small letter B is 12. So we substitute 12. Then we have 40 equals to H into 2. H divided by 2 into 28 plus 12 is what? That is 40. So we have here 2 here 1. 2 in 40 we have 20. So 20 times H, that is 20H equals to 40. Then from here we divide both sides by 20. So 20H divided by 20 equals to 40 divided by 20. Now what do we have? 20 here 1, 20 here 1. H equals to what? 40 divided by 20, that is 2. And the unit is what? Centimeter. So H equals to 2 centimeter. Thank you.